Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working. So if you're having this error, all you have to do is go to ChatGPT. So first, just go to this website. Go here and let's check. Alright, so right now ChatGPT is up. So if it is not working for you, all you have to do is go to OpenAI website. And here click on product and click on ChatGPT. Alright, so from here all you have to do is click on try on wave, and this way your ChatGPT will work. So all you have to do is keep trying until your ChatGPT website opens. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.